Intruder alert!
Boat!
In the base.
Boat is in the base! Crap!
Protect
Nature.
We need to protect them!
Nature.
Yo, a little help here?
I got it. Stand back, son. One.
I see the
Nature.
is safe.
Safe and
Yeah, it
sound.
is.
Yeah.
Tell me, did anyone happen to kill a
Boat.
on the way here? No? Then we still have a problem.
And a knife.
Ooh, big problem. I killed plenty of
Boat.
the dime a dozen backstabbing scumbags. Like you. Ow. No offense.
If you managed to kill them, I assure you they were not like me. And nothing like the
Boat.
loosed inside this building.
What are you, president of his fan club?
No. That would be...
Where I was from? What the? Wait,
Indeed. And now he's here to
Nature.
So listen up, boy. Or pornography starring your
A force of nature.
will be the second worst thing that happens to you today.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
What? It was obvious. He's
President of his fan club?
Watch. He'll turn boat any second now. Any second now. See? Blood. No, wait. That's red.
So, we still got problems.
And a knife. Big problem. All right. Who's ready to go find this knife?
Right behind you.
I don't even know where to start with you. I mean, do you even know who you're talking to? Basically, kind of a big deal. Grass shines, birds hurt people, sun grows, and brother, I fly,
I'll be honest with you. My parents do not
fly,
It costs $400,000 to
fly.
for 12 seconds.
If fighting is sure to result in victory,
The nature.
then you must fight. Sun Tzu said that, and I'd say he knows a little more about
The nature.
than you do, pal, because he invented it. And then he perfected it so that no living man could best him in the ring of...
The nature.
Then he used his
The nature.
money to buy 2 of every animal on Earth. And then he herded them onto a farm. And then he beat the crap out of every single one. And from that day forward, anytime a bunch of animals are together in one place, it's...
Right behind you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What? It was obvious. He's...
Heavy weapons guy. No!
Oh, they're going to have to glue you back together.